In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto updates for plugins and themes in WordPress. Keeping your WordPress site up to date is vital for security, performance, and the overall effectiveness of your site. By enabling automatic updates, you can ensure that your plugins and themes are consistently up to date without having to manually check and update them every time a new version is released. This can save you time and reduce the risk of potential vulnerabilities from outdated software. So, let's dive into it. First, we'll start with plugins. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, you'll want to look over to the left-hand side menu. Here you'll find Plugins. Go ahead and click on that, and then select Installed Plugins. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the plugins currently installed on your WordPress site, active or inactive. If you've installed many, you'll need to scroll through to find the specific ones you're looking for. Now, pay close attention to the columns displayed in this list. You should see one labeled Automatic Updates. It's crucial to enable updates for plugins since they can play a vital role in your site's functionality and security. Next to each plugin name, you'll see a link that says Enable Auto Updates. All you need to do is click this link for any plugin you want to be updated automatically. Once clicked, you might notice a confirmation message or a visual cue, indicating that this plugin will now automatically update whenever a new version is available. It's as simple as that, and you can rest easy knowing that your plugins will stay up to date without further intervention. Moving on to themes, the process is quite similar. Start by navigating to the Appearance section in your dashboard, again located on the left-hand menu. Click on Themes, and you'll see all the themes you have installed. Here, you should pick the theme that is active on your site or any others you want to keep updated. When you click on the theme you're interested in, a Details pop-up will appear. Inside this pop-up, you will find the link to enable auto updates for the theme, just like with plugins. Click on the Enable Auto Updates link, and voila! WordPress will manage future updates for this theme on your behalf. To recap, enabling auto updates for both plugins and themes in WordPress is a straightforward and efficient way to maintain your site's integrity and performance. By following these steps, you ensure your website benefits from the latest enhancements while minimizing risks from security threats. Thanks for following along, and enjoy a safer, more reliable WordPress experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.